Okay, the lights are installed, so it's important you know how to turn them on, set timers, schedules, and use different colors and effects using the Chromaglow Pro app. To get started, download the app from the App Store or simply scan the QR code on the controller. Once it's installed, either register and log in or use the visitor option if you're just testing. Power on the control box, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, then open the app and tap Add Device, the plus icon, to connect over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When it appears, rename the device and assign it to a room so you can quickly find it in the app later. On the main screen, you'll see a master switch that turns all lights on or off, and an RGB switch that controls only the color channels. Turning it off won't change your warm white brightness. For device tuning, open Settings to set the IC type, calibrate color, and, this is important, enter the number of lights in your system. Keep each segment at 500 lights or fewer, and keep the total under 2048 lights so effects render smoothly and reliably. These settings also apply to a number of features, so accuracy here matters. When you want to set a look quickly, the colorful function lets you adjust colors for all lights or specific segments. You can even paint colors onto a section, erase them, and add gradients when you want soft transitions. If you'd rather start with ready-made looks, the Themes function gives you curated categories like Holiday, Accent, Princess, and Atmosphere. You can save favorites or tap the plus sign to create your own DIY theme, adding different dynamic effects to match your vision. When you want your lights to evolve over time without constant adjustments, the playlist function lets you choose several effects, set how long each one runs, and then reorder them by pressing and holding for 3 to 5 seconds to drag them into place. For fully custom designs, the Doodle function gives you a blank canvas to create unique patterns. Just make sure the number of lights in your doodle matches your actual install. If not, adjust it in settings first so it renders correctly. For music-driven lighting, the Melody function lets you sync lights to songs you import or to a microphone input. On iOS, you'll import songs via iTunes or from a computer. On Android, you can use files stored on the phone. There's also a mic function that reacts to sound using either your phone's mic or the device's mic on voice-activated versions. To keep things hands-off day-to-day, the Schedule function allows you to set exact on-off times and pair them with a color, theme, or effect so the right look comes on automatically. If you're running 2 controllers, there's a Link function that lets you combine them into a single group. Choose Series to have effects flow across both or Parallel to have them mirror each other. And when you want something simple and classic, the White function gives you a clean architectural glow with adjustable brightness. If you want to have some fun, the Fun Games function turns your lights into an interactive display. You can try the small piano where each note lights a section, the sliding meteor that you can draw with your finger, drop colors and learn colors for quick color match challenges, shake to change effects with motion, and Color Picker, which maps your lights to a color captured by your phone's camera. To save your favorite looks, the Scene function stores colors or dynamic effects under named presets for quick recall. For automation, the Create Smart function can trigger these scenes based on real-life conditions like sunrise, sunset, or custom schedules, so the lights change automatically. And finally, the Sharing with Family function in the Profile menu lets others in your household control the lights by scanning your family QR code. If you prefer hands-free control, the Third-Party Voice Services function allows connection to Alexa or Google Home. Just keep in mind this works with Wi-Fi devices only. That's it for the app. Refer back to this video as much as you want to get comfortable enough to showcase it to your guests.